Pause a little says hello to you all. Welcome to the next spot of our series Hidden Mauritius. Piton de la Petite Rivière Noire, it's also called Little Black River Peak, is the highest mountain on the island of Mauritius. Trail starts with a brilliant 4-kilometer tree canopy that takes you within 300 meters of the peak. Final climb, short but intense, takes you to the summit, giving you a unique 360-degree perspective. More details in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.